Imagine waking up one day and AI has quietly taken over the 9 to 5 job. Sounds scary, right? Well, that actually happened to me, and believe it or not, I'm thankful for it. In today's video, I'm sharing my real story about how AI replaced my full-time job, why it's the best thing that ever happened to me, and how you can turn AI disruption into your biggest opportunity. If you're worried about AI stealing your job or just curious about how to thrive with AI, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll share 3 practical ways you can start benefiting from AI today. Hit the like button and subscribe for more honest stories and AI tips. Before AI, I worked a traditional 9 to 5 job. Every day was the same, the morning commute, back-to-back meetings, and drawing in repetitive tasks. I thought I was safe, my job required experience and skills, also I believed. But slowly, AI tools began creeping into my work. Automated emails, smart scheduling assistants, and even AI-driven reports started doing the tasks I once spent hours on. I tried to adapt, but one day my company implemented a full AI workflow that replaced several roles, including mine. Getting that email felt like the ground disappeared beneath me. But there's the thing, it wasn't the end. It was the beginning of a new chapter. Losing my 9 to 5 forced me to rethink everything. At first, fear and uncertainty, but then freedom. Freedom from the monotonous routine, freedom to learn new skills, and freedom to control my own income. I took my job, but it also gave me a gift: time. Time to explore AI not as a threat but as a tool. Time to build new income streams online faster and easier than I ever imagined. I discovered that instead of fighting AI, embracing it was the smartest move. Now, let me share 3 practical AI skills that helped me replace my 9 to 5 income and can do the same for you. AI writing tools like ChatGPT can help you create blogs, social media posters, and sales copy in minutes. No writing experience needed. Many businesses pay for content, and AI makes it faster and easier to deliver. From creating logos to designing social media graphics and even making short videos, AI design tools like Canvas AI features and Pika Labs empower anyone to become a creator and start freelancing. Voice cloning and AI narration tools like 11 Labs allow you to create professional sounding podcast ads and audiobooks. No expensive equipment or voice training required. Losing my job taught me the biggest lesson. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to augment us. The key is to develop AI skills and a growth mindset. Don't see AI as your enemy, but as your smartest teammate. It's about learning to work with AI, not against it. The future belongs to those who adapt and innovate. If AI took your 9 to 5, don't panic. Get curious, learn new skills, and create your own path. I'm proof that it's possible to come back stronger, and you can too. If you want me to make more videos showing exactly how to earn with AI step by step, comment below AI power and smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for a new AI success stories and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, the AI revolution is your opportunity to shine.